Welcome! Today, we are diving into a quick and easy guide on how to comment on an Instagram photo using your PC, especially with the latest app updates. If you have been wondering how to engage with posts right from your desktop, you are in the right place. First things first, you will need to open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you have the most recent version installed to ensure all features are working smoothly. Once the app is up and running, you will see your familiar Instagram feed, just like on your phone, but on a bigger screen. Next, you will want to find the photo you want to comment on. You can scroll through your feed, visit a friend's profile, or even use the search bar to locate a specific post. Take your time to find the perfect photo that sparks your interest or makes you want to share your thoughts. Once you have found the photo, look closely below it. You will see a few icons. Your goal is to click on the comment icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. This icon is your gateway to sharing your thoughts and joining the conversation. Give it a click, and a text box will appear, ready for your input. Now comes the fun part. Write what you want. Whether it is a quick emoji, a thoughtful message, or a funny remark, type away. Let your personality shine through. Take your time to craft your message, making sure it expresses exactly what you want to say. There is no rush, so make it count. Finally, once you are happy with your comment and have double-checked for any typos, simply click Post. Your comment will then appear under the photo, visible to everyone who views the post. And just like that, you have successfully commented on an Instagram photo from your PC using the app. It is that simple. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this tutorial makes your Instagram experience on PC even better. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. For more tips and